we are currently in Tokyo, central Tokyo, like Tokyo Station, and it's a storm today, or it started yesterday, but fuck it, it's a horrible storm, but that won't stop us from making videos. And I'm freezing, and you know, I don't know really what we can do, so we will just get lost in Tokyo and hope we will find some good people, fun people, and let's try to see what we can find in central Tokyo. Let's go.
So this is the apparent Christmas market. Bro, you know that meme like last night was crazy and they're just dancing alone in the college storm?
Yes.
Yeah, this is that kind of vibe, I think.
Yeah, but the Improv Palace is like where? Forward, right? I don't know.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so we will keep on exploring here until we find the Improv Palace.
Yeah.
Because it's a very Japanese thing and very, very famous.
And I think
We got another...
it's just over there.
Yeah, I saw another vlogger. And this guy doing some tricks here. Ain't no way.
Hey, yo!
What the fuck? Woohoo! Yeah, that was cool. That was cool, man. Wow. Yes. Okay, he's going away, and he has his delivery. He's a delivery driver, and he's doing something over here. Nice, man. Thank you very much, man. Where are you from? France. I'm from Sweden. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Macho. Oh, I'm Neo. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Do you have any tattoos? Oh, how can I see?
Oh, yeah, big too.
Oh, you have on your stomach? Oh, nice. Me as well. I also have on my stomach. I have my last name on my stomach.
So painful, man.
Yes.
I got new maybe this month. Yeah.
Oh, up here. Oh, I have my chest here as well.
Yeah, one
With
here too.
Oh, on the head.
Yeah.
Ooh. Was it painful?
Not so much.
Okay.
Like this one.
Ooh, wow.
Very painful.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I can tell. You live here?
Yeah, I live here.
Oh, nice. I live in Chigasaki. It's outside of Tokyo.
Chikazaki.
Yes.
No, it's Kanagawa.
Yes, exactly. I'm a student now. I'm studying Japanese.
Oh, but keep in touch, man. Keep in touch.
Yes, man. Thank you so much.
How long will you stay in Japan? 1 year, 2 years?
Yeah, how long I've stayed here? Or
20 years.
you? Yeah. 20 years? Oh, I've been here 3 months now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm staying here a couple of more months. Then, yeah. So it's great. Well, thank you so much, man. It was nice to meet you, man. Have a good day.
Do you ride?
No, I don't ride. It's okay for me. I don't know. I don't know how to ride.
To ride a bicycle?
Yeah, I think I haven't ridden a bicycle in many years. Many years.
Do some sports?
If I do sports? Yes, I do sports. Bicycle, I'm not so good. But you're very good tricks. It was good.
I don't practice so much because I have, it's broken.
Oh. Well, okay, we're gonna keep moving. Thank you so much, man.
Check everything in Japan, man.
Yes, I will, man. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Look at Shibuya skyline.
Shibuya skyline. Yes, skyline. Yes, very cool. Yes, I love it. Thank you, man. Bye. Yeah, I got his Instagram. You know, he was a cool dude actually. It was very nice.
Yeah. Right.
If I just push you down here,
Yeah.
you will
land on the rock, hit my head, get unconscious and drown. I will
maybe. I'm like shaking so much because it's so cold.
But the palace, it should be just
Goddamn! It should be over here, yes.
I think I understand why people don't really speak about central Tokyo as much.
Yeah.
This is probably the business end of Tokyo, like this.
Yeah, yes,
this
work,
is where
work,
every
work.
business is.
yeah, many like business companies or
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's not you cannot expect to find shops like in Harajuku, Shibuya.
Yes, but so far, it's nice people.
Yeah.
A lot of tourists, so it's not as like uncomfortable to like record.
No.
And it's nice people so far, dude. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
I wanna go. I'm too cold. Let's move. We're gone around here trying to look for the Imperial Palace, but it's kind of hard. We can't find it. Bro, look at this shit. How tall all the buildings are.
Bro, this doesn't even look. This feels wrong for some reason. Look at all these tall. Wait. All of these tall buildings, bro. And then you turn around. Just stops.
Just stops right here. But it's kind of nice.
Yeah,
it feels really free because before when we walked like through the station and all, it's only tall buildings. But here, it's kind of open. It feels free. Damn, man! I wish I would be like, I would live here because it's security everywhere. It's like the king lives here, man. I don't know if you can see, but it's 2 guards over there, and they are standing there. Just still, they're not moving an inch. Like especially in this weather, in this storm, they are standing still. They look like dolls. Oh, he's moving.
Just look how formal
Yeah.
they move.
Are they gonna kill us? Wait, come here.
They're coming here? Let's go, bro.
Oh my god, he just said something. He just walked up to him and he looked straight forward and the other guy just looked him dead in the eye.
Bro.
Yo, bro, it's too cold over here, dog.
Switch place.
I'm switching places right now, okay? Fuck you, me.
Fuck you, me. Yo, I don't know about you, but I'm cold as hell.
Me too. And it was kind of disappointing. I thought we could go in more or something. I don't know, man.
Maybe we're dumb tourists and we just need to go to like the other side of this whole shit thing.
I don't know, man.
But yeah.
In the middle here, it's apparently the house that they live in.
Yeah.
But it's surrounding water everywhere. It's like my old Minecraft worlds in Minecraft.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Your Minecraft world in Minecraft?
Yeah. Should we go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Eco. Follow cringe.
Over there, you see a lot of people there, and like 5 people, they recorded a movie, like a romance movie. And then like 5 meters beside them, they're doing a photo shoot of like 2 people who got married. Behind the yellow bus or like the green truck,
Yeah.
there are another like 4 or 5 more people who's also doing a photo shoot because
Yeah.
they have also been like they have also got married.
Yeah. And the thing about this, in Sweden, all of this is done over green screen.
Yeah. So in Tokyo, everything happens.
Yeah.
One moment they record a movie, romance movie, and 5 meters beside them they're doing a photo shoot because they got married, and then 30 meters they're doing another photo shoot because they also got married. So yeah, if you want to experience Tokyo, come to central Tokyo. Man,
Bro.
it feels like everything happens here.
Wait, what? Turn around. Why you got the goddamn on your backpack?
Yeah, Kenpachi. Let's go. And he also got a big wah. So now we're in Tokyo Station. We just walked around Ramen Street, and it's about 10 million people here or something.
The amount of people out in the corridor.
Yeah, when we walked.
Yeah. Insane. Like
It was crazy.
we had no chance picking up the camera.
No.
How was Tokyo?
Tokyo is amazing, but central Tokyo, it's good for sightseeing, but you can't really do much than sightseeing.
No,
And shop.
Yeah, of
Like
course.
if you want to shop, you can do it, but it's expensive. Very expensive. To sum it up, it was me and Linus getting lost in Tokyo.
Yeah.
I would say this was amazing actually, like sightseeing. It was really good, very beautiful. What do you think?
The cold ruined it for me.
Yeah.
I'm freezing my balls off right now. Yeah, I mean the palace was kind of disappointing because we didn't get to see much of it, but that's maybe just us being in the wrong place.
Yeah, maybe as us being retarded. If you want to go sightseeing, come to central Tokyo. You will like it. You will.
Yeah.
But by the way, guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media. lnecrew, it's down in the description, where you will also see behind the scenes and some other random fun things we post. And our private social medias as well, our Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, where we also post a lot of behind the scenes things and funny posts. So don't forget to follow us on there as well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can fly our
Editor Elliot out here.
Yeah, I bet he misses us, bro.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so.
I don't
too.
think so. Anyway, guys, thank you guys once again. We will see you guys in
The next video.
bye bye.